Y'all, guess who's back with another video? It's your girl, the one and only Nia Deru, and I'm back with another video. So this video is, I don't want to say a review, but me using the E.L.F. eyebrow pencil for the first time. I've never liked using an eyebrow pencil, and I think the main reason was I don't know, I don't like the pencil. I don't like how the tip of it gets dull. Well, for this one you can't sharpen it, and so once it's dull, it's just dull. Like, there's just no more point to it, so there's no point in using an eyebrow pencil. But no, I really enjoy using the pomade. The pomade, it applies easier. I can make my shape easier with the angled brush, and I'm just a pomade girl. I really don't think I'll ever use a pencil ever again. Only if it's like, if I have absolutely no pomade left, but that'll never happen. I always have pomade. But just in case, the only reason why I will use this E.L.F. pencil again is just to use it all up. I don't want my money to go down the drain, really. So I'll use it until it's gone. But what I'll do is I'll use it just to fill in. So I'll take my pomade to outline with my angle brush, and I'll just use the pencil to fill in. Another thing that I didn't like about the pencil, or this pencil, like, I like E.L.F. altogether. I like the brand E.L.F. But for this pencil, I didn't like how dark I think that's what I want to say. I really didn't care for how dark it applied. I don't know, and I wasn't even brushing, like, I wasn't filling in that hard. I wasn't pressing against my skin hard, and it was still showing up darker than what I like. For some reason, it to me, it looked like, what did it look like? It looked like it was just caked on there compared to when I used the pomade. The pomade to me looks smoother. It brushes on smoother, and the pencil, this pencil, it looked cakey to me, and I couldn't get the shape that I wanted. If you go back to my first eyebrow video, which it should be at the top of the screen right now. I'll insert it. It should be at the top right. The pomade looks better in that video. I was able to get my shape. So if you go back and look at that video, you'll see the difference. And it wasn't that dark. So yeah, I mean, it was alright, but I won't buy this again. I won't buy this pencil or any other pencil, because I don't enjoy using the pencil. So yeah, I rather the pomade. Yeah, the pomade. And the pomade that I always use is either between NYX or the Anastasia, however you pronounce it. I say Anastasia, but I like those pomades. Now with this eyebrow thing, I'm still learning how to do brows. I know they're not twins, but I try to make them twins. But that rarely ever happens. But I'm still learning how to do brows. Some days are better than others. And I really think that my last video, my first eyebrow video, I think my eyebrows were I did a better job in that video than this one. And I blame it on the pencil. I really think it's the pencil. It's the pencil's fault. So anyway, since we are still dealing with COVID and some people are still self-quarantining, I'm one of them. I stay inside for the most part. I mean, I go out when I need to, go here and there, and I'm safe with it, but I'm pretty much inside. And I know I said my next video was gonna be, well, on the last video I did, I said that my next video was gonna be an updated, well, in another wash and go, but with a different hair product. And instead you're getting an eyebrow video. I redid my hair. I washed all that gel that I had in my hair. I washed it out, and I tried a different product for the wash and go, and it didn't hold like I needed it to. So I don't know if I'm gonna upload that video or not. I'll have to see once I edit and put it all together. But it didn't hold like I needed it to. So maybe what I'll do next time is use that same product, because it smells really good. I use that same Cream of Nature product and use what is that gel? The Eco Styler gel. Maybe that'll give me the hold that I need. Yeah, that little clip that you heard, you might have to rewind it back, but I was on the phone with one of my best friends, and she was having a silly moment, and she said all my exes live in Texas. I don't anyway, there's never a dull moment with her, and I think she'll see this video, so she'll hear herself. I didn't even know she was gonna say that while I was recording. But anyway, go ahead and enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll be back. I didn't plan on talking the entire time. Okay, my loves, this is the look that I got, and I was satisfied, but I'd rather stick with my pomade. If you have any suggestions or any recommendations, go ahead and leave them down below. Maybe I'll check them out, and who knows, maybe I'll do a review on it. But yeah, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. I love you guys. See you later.